everyone. I am with my bicycle now. Show you my bicycle. Today, my motorbike is broken. The tire need to be changed. So, but I still have another vehicle, is bicycle. That's why I try to go with my bicycle. Good morning, my friend. How are you today? And today I have the exciting story to tell you because I got a message from a friend from YouTube and he sent it to me and he said, I hope you like the gift. And then I said, what is the gift then? And then he sent like the picture of motorbike for me. And I said, why you bought for me? For what? For which occasion? And then he said, because you are a nice lady and you should get it. And now we go to check at the motorbike shop. Okay, so and I'm excited about that also because he just told me you just choose the color and then it belongs to you. And then I told him so I could not take it because I'm hesitant. So I didn't know you and why you buy it for me. And he said, well, just take it and enjoy it. Okay, let's go with me. I'm excited about motorbike now. Come on, follow me, please. Now we get to Honda shop Hua Hin. So let's go check the motorbike, the new motorbike with me, okay? Exciting, right? Where we are now? Big Wing. I'm excited now. I come with my friend today because my friend can help me to take motorbike back home. สวัสดีค่ะเอามาพบคุณเมย์ค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะคุณเมย์ใช่ค่ะจิรายังงงอยู่เลยอ่ะขอถ่ายวิดีโอหน่อยนะตื่นเต้นนิดนึงว่าซื้อมอเตอร์ไซค์ให้จิรายังไม่ค่อยเชื่อเลยว่าเขาซื้อมอเตอร์ไซค์ให้จิราทำไมในมอเตอร์ไซค์อะค่ะอ๋ออยู่ข้างบนโอเคจิราทำยังไงคะขอทะเบียนบ้านกับประชาชนค่ะอ๋อใช่ต้องโอเคไหมทำมีตัวจริงไหมบัตรประชาชนอ๋อเอเขาโทรมาที่ศูนย์เหรอคะคุณเมย์ใช่ค่ะเขาโทรมาที่ศูนย์exciting นะที่นั่งก่อนนะได้ค่ะI cannot wait to see motorbike นะ this one เหรอLet's go to see another motorbike during we waiting, okay? No, really big. I think it's good now. It's good. So actually, I need a boot. Probably I can. ก็ไม่ต้องจับมันไม่ต้องจับมัน Oh my god. You know, this color is my favorite color. the cherry red. I love it. This one look very cool. It seems very expensive. กล้องมันสวยมากเลยอ่ะ200,000ใช่เปล่านะแต่มันคงจะหนักเนาะจริงแล้วมันไม่โอเค It's cool but I cannot try it. It's not for me. It's so very cool. It's for a man. This one ทำไมมันเยอะจังเลยก็มีอุปกรณ์เยอะๆเลย Okay. Oh, how about this one? No, not this one, the smaller one. This very big, I cannot drive it. But have a look with me. Oh wow. I love this one. Let me try. Good. The red one.
นู่น
ไหน
black
The black one เหรอ
the
My
black look
friend said I
nice
should
เฮ้ย the black look nice
black one เหรอ
yes
CDR. Really big, no? So of course you need another outfit, yeah. Today, I'm not going to ride bicycle, motorbike back home. My friend supposed to take it for me back home. But it's cool, actually. Same, right? It's big shop, actually. Oh, that's so big. Waiting for motorbike now. Ow.
เขาไปลองจิราอย่าตื่นเต้นกับของฟรี Now my friend will drive my motorbike back home for me. And hey, thank you a lot for Rob from London who bought the motorbike for me. This one, I appreciate that a lot. Okay, I hope you're happy and thank you everyone to watching. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.